I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to rename your Roomba using the Roomba mobile app for iPhone, iPad, or Android. Step 1. Open the Roomba app on your mobile device and then make sure you switch to look at the information associated with the Roomba you want to rename. Step 2. Swipe down this menu and then tap Product Settings. Step 3. Tap About Roomba. Step 4. Tap Product Name. The next screen shows you a field where you can edit the name of your Roomba. Step 5. Enter what you want to be the name of your Roomba. It's important to avoid using numbers if you plan to interact with your Roomba using a voice assistant like Alexa or Siri. Step 6. Tap Done after changing the name of your Roomba. The name of your Roomba will be updated immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.